Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chasing game in Scratch. Wow, super awesome, I know. So first, what we are going to do is get rid of the Scratch cat. Sorry. Then we're going to select a new sprite. I'm gonna just make my character really quick, really simple. The best thing you'll ever see in the world. A square. Then we are going to make it so that you can move the square. So I'm going to get the one green flag clicked button or block and the forever loop. And I'm just going to put a bunch of like maybe 4 if then blocks. Then we are going to go to the key. We're going to go to the sensing tab and going to grab the key pressed block. So I'm going to select the up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow blocks. So we're going to grab the change X block, put it in the right arrow thingamabob. Then we're going to grab another one and we're going to make it a -10. We're going to put it in the left arrow one. Then we're going to grab the Y block. We're just going to keep it normal. I'm going to grab another Y block and make that a negative. Put it in the down arrow section. So as you can see, it's working. We can move the character. Nice. So we are going to make it go to 0, 0. Put that right under the one green flag clicked block. Then we are going to grab the, where is it? Change size. Wait, no. Set size block. We are going to set it to 70. So we have more space in the screen. There it goes. Oh, by the way, that is a nice title for my project right here. You see that? Maybe you should do that. It's really nice. Anyways, we're going to go back to making our project. As we have it moving now. So what we need is create an enemy. And we are going to make it something really extremely intimidating. You're going to grab the block.
Wow.
We're going to copy it and paste it. And we have another block. We're just going to make it red. Super intimidating, guys. And we're just going to grab this. We're just going to duplicate it and get rid of the forever blocks. And make it, put it in there. I don't know why I did that. Could have just done it a faster way. We're just going to get rid of that. Make it go to random position so it doesn't spawn in the same area as the player, because I'll just instantly kill you. Then we needed to make it so that it follows the player. We're going to grab the forever loop. We're going to make it move 10 steps. And we can't just make it move 10 steps into nowhere. So we're going to make it point towards the player, which is sprite 1. Unless you already named it. And as you can see, it is following the player. But we need it so it waits before it starts moving, so we can actually have time to get away from it before it starts attacking us. And I think it's going a bit too fast. We're going to make it 9 steps. Just so it goes a bit slower, so it doesn't kill us. Yeah, I love nerfing things, guys. And we have it chasing us, but it's not killing us when it touches us, so we're going to need to make it so that it kills us. So we're going to grab the one green flag clicked block, do forever loop, the if then block, and then we're going to make it so that if it touches the player, which is sprite 1, it's going to kill us / stop the game. make it stop all. So when it hits us, it's gonna stop like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But we need to make it so that like there's a goal, like you can't just run away from object. So we're gonna need to make it so that it times us, so we can like get better times and stuff. There's actually a reason to play it. I'm gonna set time to 0. I'm gonna grab the when green flag click block forever. Wait 1 second. Change time by 1. So it looks pretty sick right now. And if you want to spice it up, you can add a background, which I'm gonna do right now. And we have a background. But it can't be good without some good music, so I'm gonna pick something that's truly amazing, true masterpiece, and you guys are gonna be really surprised. So I have my song. I don't know if you hear it or not, but this is truly a masterpiece. So yeah, it's the default Scratch sounds, best things you can ever hear. Then we're just gonna make it so it just infinitely plays the Northern Symphony. So it's looking extremely good. That for this video. Now, actually, no, it isn't. Because I have one more thing in store. If you want it to be even more juicy, more flavorful, you can add lasers. So I'm gonna add 2 lasers. There. You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna leave a little like hole in the middle so you can actually go through it, so you're not stuck just going around in circles the entire time. Then what we can just do is make it spin forever. Fast, so we're gonna have to make it. We need to make it a bit less. That's a lot better. We just need to make it so it kills you if you touch it too. You can just duplicate this and make it Sprite 3. Hold up. Okay, I made a big mistake. This is gonna go in the player. Get rid of this thing. So let's see if it works now. There. Okay, now it works. So that's pretty much it. You can build off a lot with this simple game. So see you in the next video if I ever post one. What is that? Wait, there's something in my backyard. Hey, does it say subscribe? Oh wait, I think you should do that. That would be really awesome. Subscribe.